How y'all doing? It's PawPaw again. Let's see if it'll work. Did PawPaw fix it? Did digging something out of the garbage work to his advantage? Did taking junk stuff that somebody else threw away, could he bring it back to life? Tune in next Thursday night, February 24th, to see part 2 of PawPaw's table saw from hell. All right. Got some smoke coming out of that greasy bearing back there, but it'll be all right. Woohoo! Now I just got to put the rest of it together. Hey everybody, it's PawPaw again. Just wanted to tell you right quick about a little product I've got here. This is, I don't want to call it a wonder drug, nothing like that. But I'm gonna tell y'all what, you know, I'm bouncing up and down around 300 pounds, and sometimes my daggum left knee just hurts terrible. Might have been that truck wreck I was in, where I got slammed into the dash when the boy driving my truck with me and the 3 dogs in it crashed into a daggum oak tree that big around. Anyway. Boom! Threw me up against the dash. I caved in the metal dash of the daggum truck. Anyhow, ever since then I had a little bit of twinge in that knee. Of course, it didn't help when them cops threw me down neither, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, if you have knee pain, joint pain, muscle pain, elbow pain, shoulder pain, try their product at www.gethappyhemp.com. Use the discount code DoingItCheap30. DoingItCheap30. And you'll save 30%. Tell them old PawPaw sent you. Oh, we're going to have some live streams coming up. I'm going to try to do one maybe once a week, once every 10 days. Not no marathon. Maybe a 45-minute show, something like that. And I don't know what night to do it on. Probably going to be I want to do it on a weeknight, maybe on a Thursday night, you know. I don't know. I want to do it sometime when a lot of people can watch. Anyway, we're going to have some giveaways. All you got to do is guess. I'm going to write down a number, and whoever guesses the closest without going over is going to win whatever the prize is from Karen down there at Happy Hemp. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Let's get back to the show. All right, well, worked for a while. Oh, my goodness. Well, folks, it's 2 days later, and I did a little research on why I was doing that, and I studied on it, and it's very possible that armature had too much crud on it. So I ordered a new pair of brushes We'll give one last try. Look how filthy that is. Like carbon buildup on there. Hopefully I can clean it up, the wire wheel on a brush or on a drill. Okay, that's all kinds of pretty now. Alright. Let's see what the heck happens this time. Oof. Smoke, baby, smoke. All right, well, that was 2 times of fiddling with this thing. Starting to get cold out here. To tell you the truth, I don't know. This might be one of them that, well, PawPaw ain't able to fix. I ain't give up on it yet, though. I ain't give up on it. You just keep watching my videos and it may appear. Of course, today is Saturday, and I've got until Thursday, the 24th, when this video is supposed to appear. Maybe I can get it done by then. We'll see. Well, folks, I tried like hell. I bought a second set of brushes. I cleaned the armature. I polished the armature. I cleaned out all the carbon around it. And still, that dadgum thing sparked like hell. And just would eat a set of brushes like it was breakfast. So, I ain't beat yet. I'm just going to have to do some more head scratching. And I urge anyone out there that knows a lot more about electrical motors than I do, I'd be more than interested to hear your suggestions. But this is one that beat old PawPaw. Now, what I'm going to do in the interim until I get this motor fixed, if I get it fixed, is I'm going to mount a skill saw, circular saw, underneath that thing probably, just to have a simple table saw. Well, at least that was my plan, because it does have all those nice outfeed tables and all that. And I probably will do that later, be another video. But I come across the best table saw that Craftsman ever made in the history of Sears and Roebuck. And that's the cast iron model 113. 275 275. Anyway, model 113. It's from the 50s, and it weighs more than 2 men and a boy. It's an industrial machine, and I'll be doing a video on it exclusively. Hint, hint, it's hiding right there, but that ain't what this video's about. Anyway, I appreciate that y'all tuned in to see what the outcome was, but it just didn't work. And daggum it. Ah, well. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye, everybody.
Thank you for subscribing to my Papa's channel.